elephant and baby elephant love each other a lot and do lots of things together, but sometimes Mama Elephant is busy and says, baby elephant, you need to play by yourself for a while because I have to get some things done on the computer. Do your grown-ups ever get busy and tell you have to wait? So here's Mama Elephant being busy and working very hard. And baby elephant is tired of waiting, and she says, Mama Elephant, what is it? I want to play. I'm sorry, I told you you have to wait. We'll play in a little while, but right now you have to wait. So baby elephant kept waiting, and suddenly she saw the pot was boiling over on the stove. Now, when you have a safety problem, you do not need to wait. When you have a safety problem, your safety plan is to interrupt grown-ups, even if they're busy, and keep asking until you get help. Mama Elephant, the pot is boiling over on the stove. I told you not to interrupt me. Oh dear, what happened? I think Mama Elephant didn't hear Baby Elephant because she was so busy, and even if she has pretty big ears, they can't hear everything all the time. Do you think Baby Elephant should just go away and let the pot boil over? Or even try to do something dangerous like take care of the pot herself? Or do you think she ought to ask for help again? I think she ought to ask again. But Mama Elephant, what is it? I'm busy. The pot's boiling over on the stove. Look. Oh, you're right. Why didn't you tell me? I did. Phew. I think Mama Elephant's going to go take care of that pot. And then after she does, I bet she's going to give Baby Elephant a great big hug for following their safety rules and interrupting and keeping asking when she has a safety problem.